guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am KS, and today we're making my famous jerk sauce. So we're going to get started because I want to show you guys all the ingredients that I have here. So let's get started. I have here my cup. I have a blender here, and I have the cup that goes with it. And this is a Ninja, the neutral Ninja that I'm going to be using. And first I'm going to put some onions. Guys, I absolutely love jerk sauce. You know, I love jerk chicken, jerk pork, whatever it is. You can absolutely you can use the jerk sauce for anything you want. Jerk fish. And you know this is a good staple in Jamaica. I'm going to make my own personal one. So I add the onions in, and I'm going to add the scallions. I'm going to add the green peppers. I'm going to add a hot pepper. Can see, and I'm going to add some pimento, and this is allspice pimento. We'll be adding this in. You can add a lot. You can add as much as you want. I like to add a lot, guys. I'm going to add some salt and pepper, but I'm going to add pepper first. I'm going to add some allspice. I'm going to add some ground nutmeg. I'm sorry. Let's add that in. I'm going to add my own personal ground ginger. I'm going to add some ground ginger to this. That ginger smells so good, guys. I'm going to add some more allspice, actually, because I just think it actually gives it that kick. So I'm just going to add some more. And I have some in this bowl that I have here. So I'm just going to add all this that's in here. And also, I had some thyme that was here, which I had took it off the stem. So it's here, and I'm just going to add a pinch in there. It's all here. Okay, now I'm going to add some browning. Don't add too much, guys, because this browning a little goes a long way. Just a little goes a long way, guys. Look at that. And make sure you wash your hands, guys, because this browning can be very messy. Now I'm going to add some vinegar. I'm going to add some vinegar, just a little. Put it down, and now I'm going to tie it together. Okay, let's see if this will be good enough. I think I should add some more? I'm just going to see how this goes, guys. See how this goes. Look at that. That looks really good, guys. That looks really good. Yes, 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 yes. That looks absolutely great. You could just, if you can just smell this, guys. This smells absolutely marvelous. Just imagine you just smell all that ginger, that garlic, everything that's in there, guys. It smells so good. And I have this that I'm going to put it in. Just pour it in here, guys. See how this looks. Look at that. Guys, look at this. It just looks absolutely beautiful. Nice and thick. Nice and thick. Nice and thick, guys. Whew. Gonna pour all of it in there. Let me get a fork knife and pour the rest in there. Now guys, with this sauce, I'm going to be making some jerk wings. And I absolutely cannot wait to show you guys how it turns out. This is going to be so delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you absolutely love some jerk wings. I wish that you guys can try mine one day. But we got it all together, guys. Oh, this looks so good. Just that pimento. Absolutely perfect. I'm just trying to get every last bit of it because I don't want to waste anything, guys. Look at that, guys. Jerk sauce. Now, I'll be back and I'm going to show you guys how I marinate my sauce. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I am back. So now what I have is some wings here that I am going to wash off and put this beautiful jerk sauce on there. I just want to show you how this comes out. So, as you can see, I'm going to wash this off, let this marinate overnight, and let's see the finishing touches later, guys. I'm going to show you how I marinate the sauce and everything before I marinate it overnight. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. So what I'm doing now is I'm cutting the chicken in half, so that way it won't be like a whole piece. It'll be little pieces like these that I love having them separate. Oops, sorry. I'm still putting it in. Okay, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over here and grab my pan real quick. Okay, guys, I'm back. You know what just made me think about just summertime, guys, and just absolutely having this on the grill. I cannot wait till the summer because I'm definitely going to be putting this on the grill. It's definitely going to be really good. Guys, have you guys I'm going to be putting this in the oven, 350 degrees. Like I was saying, that I cannot wait for the summertime. Oh, just summer. Putting this on the grill. Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm going to move this over a little bit so I can show you guys how I'm going to marinate my jerk sauce. Now, since this is hot, I'm going to put on some gloves. Bear with me, guys. I just got to get my gloves together. I'm putting my gloves on because these sauce can be very spicy, and you don't want that in your fingernails. Okay? You absolutely don't want that. Okay. Ugh, these gloves. These gloves are just way too little. And I don't understand that. But it's okay. Here we go, guys. I got my gloves on. And now we're just going to sit here. I'm just going to marinate it. Okay, I'm going to put the marinade in there. I was thinking about adding, you see how this, guys? Can you see that, guys? I don't know if you can see that. I got to actually let you show you to see this. Let me see. Make sure you guys can see that. Look at that. I'm putting that jerk sauce in there. Look at that. It's totally marinated. Just spread it all around. Look at that. You got to make sure that it goes all the way through. Let's add some more. Oh, this is good, guys. I cannot wait to show you the finishing touches. So I'm going to put this in the oven, 350, for at least, I want it nice and dark, so I'm going to have it for at least 2 hours. I'm going to have to 2 hours, guys. Woo! I'm sorry, guys. It's burning my eyes. So I should be back and I'll tell you the finished touches, okay? These gloves off. Then I'll be back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is the finishing touches of my famous jerk chicken. Don't you see this, guys? Doesn't it look really, really good? And I have the jerk sauce right here. Right here, guys. I'm just going to taste and see how it's tasting. I thought delicious. Season well. Give it the nice right spice. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite what is your favorite jerk chicken? Your jerk chicken, jerk pork, jerk fish? What do you like to jerk with? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. I'll see you later. Look at that. Let me get this bone out of here.